Amberlynn, we got Aaron and Ashton. It's the AJ show. It's the AJ show.
Love the AJs.
What is up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe or hit the notification bell so you guys will be notified every time I post a video. If you're already been here, welcome back. Y'all, today I want to share with you my top 5 curly hair products. Y'all, I'm gonna just make this disclaimer now that I don't stick to these top 5 products. I use a lot of different products. I change my products every single day, literally. But these are like my go-tos and the ones that I keep going back to because I love them so much. So I wanted to share that with you all. And if you want to know what these top 5 products are, keep on watching. Alright, so guys, these are in no particular order. I'm just gonna show you guys some of my top 5 products. To start off with, I'm gonna start with this product here. It is a shampoo. It is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Shampoo. Y'all, I love this product. This is a really good shampoo and it works really well on my hair. Makes my hair feel really soft. I also use this product in my daughter's hair, in both of my daughter's hair. We all have different curl patterns. We all have different types of curly hair. If you want to see how their hair curls and how their pattern is, you can always check out my tutorial videos that I do. But this shampoo works good in both of their hairs. So I love this product because it's a one product for the house type thing, and I love it. So if you haven't tried this shampoo, y'all, please try this shampoo. It is sold everywhere, literally. Target, Walmart got it, like Hair Beauty Supply, they got it. Check it out. The second product that I want to tell you guys about is this product here. It is also by Shea Moisture. It is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. Y'all, I use this product for my deep conditioning and I love it. Like, if you want slip, you want this product, because this product here, it makes your hair so soft and slippery and smooth. Like, if you wash your hair in the shower, you will literally be sliding around that shower, okay? So if you're looking for that type of slippage in a deep conditioner, like, you want this product. It is so bomb, y'all. This mask is amazing. I love it. It works good in my daughter's hair as well, except in my oldest, Erin, and her head. I think she does have like a slight allergy to Jamaican black castor oil, because in a lot of products that I use, if there is Jamaican black castor oil, she does itch. So I don't use it in my oldest daughter's hair because of that reason. It makes her really itchy, and sometimes she'll even like break out because she's that allergic to it. But I wish she wasn't allergic to it, because when I tried it on her hair for the first time, it made her hair so soft and really easy to detangle. But for my youngest, it works good on her, and I love it as well. So check it out, guys. Alright, to just follow along with that product, I love using leave-in conditioners, and this one kind of goes with that product. It is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. Basically, when I get out of the shower, I always use a leave-in conditioner and then put my product on my hair. And so it's very similar to the deep conditioner, where it has a lot of slip. It makes your hair feel really soft. And because it has that Jamaican black castor oil in it, you don't really need to put any oil on top of the leave-in. If you do the lock method, you can just put this product in, and it's that moisturizing. So that's why I love this product so much. All right, so the next product I want to talk about is a styling cream, and it's by Cantu. It's this product right here, and my bottle is like kind of empty, y'all, because I love it. But it's called Cantu Coconut Curling Cream. coconut curling cream. And I really love this Cantu product because it's not too heavy. It's really light, and if you want like really fluffy curls, this is what you would use. You would use this Cantu product here. It's similar to that Shea Moisture smoothie that they have, but for me, the Shea Moisture smoothie is a little bit too dry for my hair. So this Cantu is a little more moisturizing, and it makes my curls a little bit more shiny. So I choose the Cantu coconut curling cream over the Shea Moisture one. But it's really, really similar, y'all. It's super similar. And it smells so good. Like, people, when they come around me, they always say my hair has a smell, or you smell really good, you smell really good, even if I don't put perfume on. And that's because a lot of the products that I use smell really good. And y'all, this smells really good. It has a coconut fragrance to it. So my fifth and final product is another Cantu product, and it is this product right here, y'all. It is the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. Curl Activator Cream. And y'all, it is very similar to the coconut curling cream, except I feel that this one is a little more stickier, has a little more hold. So depending on how I feel, of course. If I want more elongated curls, if I want my curls to be a little longer, or I'm going to somewhere where it's gonna be a lot of humidity in the air, if I go to the club, somewhere where I'm sweating, I would definitely go with this product right here. Like, this one withstands all elements, y'all. All elements. It doesn't leave your hair hard at all. It just has a little extra hold. And so that's why I like this cream right here. I love it. Yeah, I love this Cantu Moisturizing Activator Cream. I love this cream. I really love it. I really love it. I really love it. Right now, y'all, in my hair, I have this cream in my hair right now. I didn't put any in it today, but the day that I put it in, it is a little bit, it does hang a little bit longer. And y'all, this product right here, it works really well in both of my daughter's hair as well, because they have a lot of shrinkage. My daughters have a lot of shrinkage, especially my youngest. She has a lot of shrinkage as well. So this activator cream helps to elongate those curls that she has. So I love that about this product. I really, really love that about this product. So those are my top 5 products. If you guys want to see me style my hair, or how I put product in my hair, or if you want to see me do a real review of a product, please let me know down in the description box below. If you've tried any of these products, please let me know. I want to know how they work for you, because a lot of products work differently in different people's hair. And so these are some of the products that I feel work well in both me and my daughter's hair. So I wanted to share those with you guys, because I'm sure they'll probably work good in your hair as well. If you guys have any questions, any comments, anything, y'all, please let me know down in the description box below. And don't forget the subscribe button and the notification bell and the like button, so you guys will be notified every time I post a video.